Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Realme Narzo 20. So on the front you can see the phone's name, and at the back specifications like battery, camera and processor. So let's open the box. First of all, you can see the lid. Inside it we have a SIM ejector tool placed right here. Next is documentations like a quick guide and safety guide which will give you information about the phone. So here we have this attractive smartphone Realme Narzo 20. The phone has a punch hole display. The device offers a stunning triple camera setup on its rear side and fingerprint sensor. Also Narzo branding at the bottom left. You will get USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. At last, we have a 2-pin wall charger with 18 watts of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Realme Narzo 20 box. Thank you so much for watching this video.